Yeah, squad there. A4, how be?
Oh, cool.
And how do you see the job too?
So the job there is normal.
If it's normal. Okay, so everything is going on well.
Everything is going on.
Okay, we thank God. So you are doing the fan hooks too for the other side. Yeah. I don't know anything more thing. So each one I can manage a convention. But this is 7 feet. So it's not door. So many men now fan light, but it's the off. Or small young when P get on Chalo no for any that's an one number like she punch. So that is it. Oh, no friend, no yano juba, go back to office, feel and say, so we take the board there and use it for the columns over here as we go. And as the lead there, we can also be managing the lanterns over here. Yeah. So we are managing all together. You can see when the cast is not well, right, the board are not moved from under. We try to lay here when it's finished 21 days after, then we move the board to the other side. So we are managing everything according to how it's supposed to be. So you can see the job flow. That is it. Info. Aleke, elegia.
Melegilo.
Okay, ejiko na piano. Hey, Efo be that. Yeah, managing everything. So Efo, like nepo. Oh, okay. Okay. Nepo floor was the same. The
no noise
of the floor.
No noise.
Everything.
No noise.
Listen, because at the end of the day, you are building and live for generation. So no matter what, you have to go with specification. You don't have to do anything that can cause you in the future, where you build for the future people. At the end of the day, they won't enjoy it. So that's it. So anything we do, we put durability into consideration. Yeah, so that is how it is. Therefore, say something.
Mr. Nee, this one where they use for the fan hook there. Mr. Nee, what the fan if which one be that?
Because of the main reason is we near the sea. That's why.
Okay.
That's the main reason. We can use tenement, but the reason is we near the sea. Yeah.
So the breeze can chop everything, corrode everything. So you have to use it.
But the thing that if you are far, you can't get it unless you near the person before you get the idea.
Yeah.
Okay, me too. I see something from this one today. Okay.
That one, no, don't take it. Do something like this.
What about the film?
The film,
As you can see the sea, everything is here. Whoa, that is a nice view. You can see Bojo Beach over there. You can see Bojo Beach over there. Yeah. You see all the lagoons. Those in the lagoons, so you can see them. So if water is taking somebody, you can report before even. Therefore, and make it very durable and be stable for test of time. So that is what we've done here. Potentially. Open at Mule. Ingonyalo. You know, Jody. Wanichumi no ne oko machunole. Is a con he gave me adioke una problem. Sakambo o gbeno se kra ne ni hu ne ba benefit na nane no ochu bi onge no keke ake problem ke akpa ba che no wa chu we ni ja o no lo ma de ke hion yam yes e ma yam no nge pe ne e se ma ke o a pe we le bo bi ne nge hu nge yo we ya the more the building last year, the more the cost go higher. It will get to a time where maybe what you save now, thinking you are saving it, cannot build this again. You can save the same amount. There, the interest you may be having can't build it anymore. So that is it. So Efo,
Yeah.
hey, Mobagbadomolo.
Oh, Mobagbadompa.
Ebagbadoma.
Mobagbadompa.
Okay.
Afoko katolana tia.
Ekba nyama Mobagbadoma. Chaklicha.
Kana mo jangola ni o.
Chaklicha.
Mo jangola na chuba ni yoku. Aruga.
Yeah. Chaklicha.
Kana mo jangola ni.
Gala na jango kuna konkune na ba chi ni na po.
Aruga bi.
Apoya. Gaga gbogbo fa masigaraji. You say I know how to speak your language.
The only Efo.
The one and only Efo.
The one and the only. The one and the only
Efo.
Efo.
So at the end of the day, if you dey here where man stand like how they stand, no, I don't expect you to be speaking small words. The one I want you to speak be say a sokpagakpa, a gaman no so no more ruogo. You hear? You see? A sokpagakpa, a gaman no so no more ruogo. Epo a ga no so no more ruma. Nene Mike. Today I speak your language. Oh, I try.
Do our step there. Don't go there. Yes,
where you lost?
Oh, I know.
Go to chat. Massage your board.
Hey, Balo. How they for
Street.
yeah. And the room is careful, but if there is any one day here where you feel unwell, if you come and so if you come here, you come down, make everything where you go. So if they come back, I bet you will feel max. So if they come out, then this time you come back like this. Then you think,
work is still in progress. The team is trying to come together to see how they can come up with a retaining wall. As we know, it is on a steep hill, and this is going to be the car park. So they have to come up with a retaining wall in front of the apartment so that the cars don't flip. So that's, what I always say, that's what we do, even though we have engineer, but he always involve the rest of the team, before he does anything. The steel bender, the carpenter, if everybody's on site there to, you know, make sure that things are done at the right way. Some contractors will just tell you do this, and then they will not even be there to show you or explain things for you to understand. But the contractor does that. He explains things to them so that there won't be any mistake, because these are the ways you can avoid cost. So this is the back of the house. So that's how it looks at the back of the house. You only see just one level, and we are the second level now. But then if you're in front of the house, you really see a huge, you know, apartments if you are in front of the house. And that's all about engineering work. If you have the right people, you get a job done one time. So I think my next episode we're going to focus on the concrete casting, but before that they have to come and do the electricals and the plumbing work for the other side before we go with the concrete casting. That's why you see all the pillars there still not being cast yet. The amazing view of the community. It's been 8 months since we started with this project, and yeah, this is how far we've come with all the challenges you know we face on site, bringing materials on site, leveling the ground and all that. You can check in my previous videos. The name of this project is the Hill Project. I have created a playlist. You can just watch the first video of this project, how we started. Then you understand and know how far we've come, the strategy we've used to come up with this project. Hopefully by December we'll be done with the whole structure work, get all the block work done to the lintel level, and then we're going to see how the roofing will come maybe early next year. So that's the planning. And yeah, we also have some apartments which will be starting next year as well. Now, beside the one we have in Bone, we still have some that we've gone to check. One or two apartments are coming. So watch out for that also on the channel. It also comes with its own challenges and stuff, but we are here to show you how it is being done. So if you have your projects, you should consider Gigo Production Group. And the length of this project, the length of the apartment is 120 feet. That's how long this project is. The stretch, the front view is 120 feet. So I just want to share that information. And the big empty space you see in front of you is where the car park is. So that's where the residents are going to park their cars, and then they have to climb to go into their various apartments. So I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly please do so. Like the video, and thanks to everyone who has been sharing my videos. I really do appreciate you all, and I will see you in my next episode. Like, tui.